Okay, I'm going to make the assumption that this T sub 2 and T sub 4 stands for term 2 and term 4 of the arithmetic series. Here's an arithmetic sequence where negative 12.5 is the second term and negative 10.7 is the fourth term. And we want to find the sum of the first 15 terms. That's what S sub 15 stands for. So the formula that we want to use, well, there's several of them. First of all, we want to find out what the common difference is between each term, and then find out what the first term is, because the formula for the sum of an arithmetic series is the number of terms, 15, times the average of the first term and the last term. So basically, we want to find the first term and then the 15th term. So given that the second term is negative 12.5, we can say that negative 12.5 equals the first term plus n minus 1 differences, which we don't know what the difference is yet. And since we're looking for the second term, n minus 1 is 1. And for the fourth term, we're told that the fourth term is negative 10.7. That has to equal the first term, whatever it is, plus n minus 1, which was 4 minus 1, or 3 differences. Now I've got a system of 2 equations, 2 unknowns. I can see that if I subtract the second equation from the first, the t sub 1s will kind of disappear, and I'll be able to solve for the common difference, and which is what I've done here. There's d equals 0.9, and by putting 0.9 in for d, like right here, I find out that the first term is negative 13.4. And now to use the formula for the sum of first 15 terms, I need to know what the 15th term is too. So here's t sub 15. It equals the first term plus n minus 1 differences. And that turns out with these little calculations down here to be negative 0.8. And so now I can find the sum of the first 15 terms as the number of terms times average of the first and the last. So I add the first and the last, I get negative 14.2 divided by 2 is negative 7.1 times 15 is negative 6.5. There's your answer right there. And here's confirmation using the Desmos summation operator. Sum from n equals 1 to 15. This is a formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. The first term plus n minus 1 differences. Of course, I could distribute this 0.9 and simplify this expression a little bit, but I wanted to emphasize that I'm using the formula here for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So there you go. Hope that helped. By the way, well, I don't know if that's 15 terms, so I'll just forget that part of it. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. And if you have any questions, post a comment.